Changing your payout method on Balancer is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payout preferences are updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Balancer platform by entering your credentials. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection to protect your account information. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SREP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select payout methods. In the account settings menu, find the section labeled payout methods or payment options. Click on this section to view your current payout methods and available options. Step 4. Update your payout method. Choose the payout method you wish to change or add a new one. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary information such as bank details or cryptocurrency wallet addresses, depending on your chosen method. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payout information, ensure you save the changes. Look for a confirmation message indicating that your payout method has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout method on Balancer. Make sure to review your settings periodically to keep your account information up to date.